Which of the following statements about algae is incorrect? You first read question properly. Here they asked which of the following statement about algae is incorrect, not correct, incorrect. Okay, let's read the statement. Algae are chlorophyll bearing and autotrophic organism. Yes, the algae are chlorophyll bearing and autotrophic in nature. Then algae are exclusively aquatic organism. Exclusively aquatic organism. Algae can occur in moist stone, soil and wood. Yeah, moist stone, soil also we can observe the algae. And some algae live in associated with fungi and animal. This statement also correct. Then answer is algae are exclusively aquatic organism. Okay. Exclusively aquatic animals. This statement is incorrect for the algae because algae, we observe the algae in moist stones also, soil also and moist wood also, and some of them are associated with other organisms like fungi, they form lichen, or they may associated with the corals, sponges, etc. also. So not only exclusively for aquatic organisms. So the option B is the correct answer. Then second question, which of the following algae forms massive plant bodies in marine environment? Wallworks, Eulothrix, Pyrogyra, kelps. Exclusively those algae are marine in nature. The answer is kelps. Kelps are exclusively for marine. They form a vast massive plant body like structure in the marine ecosystem. Okay. The next question, vegetative reproduction in algae occur through spore formation, fragmentation, binary fission, gametes for fusion. The answer is fragmentation. The fragmentation, each fragment will give you a new thalli. Okay. Next question is which type of spores are commonly produced during asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction they are asking, and which type of zoospore, aplanospores, zygospore, oospore. The answer is zoospores. Okay, zoospores are produced during the asexual reproduction of algae. Next one is isogamous reproduction in algae involves. Isogamous means both gametes are similar in size, shape. Okay. Fusion of two gametes similar in size and motile. Fusion of two gametes similar in size and non-motile. Fusion of two dissimilar gametes. Fusion of one large non-motile female gametes and smaller motile male gametes. The answer is fusion of two gametes similar in size and non-motile. Isogamous is the where both the gametes are non-motile. Which type of sexual reproduction involves fusion of one large non-motile female gametes and a smaller motile male gametes? One is large non-motile female and smaller motile male gametes. That is observed in the oogamous. Oogamous type only we observe that one is female is larger and non-motile, and one is motile and flagellated. Okay. Identify the algae that exhibit anisogamous reproduction. Anisogamous means two gametes are dissimilar or not similar in shape and size. Eulothrix, Pyrogyra, Edoria, Fucus. The answer is Edoria. Anisogamous is observed in the Phaeophyceae. This Edoria is the one of the example of the Phaeophyceae family. Okay, so classes of algae. Here, which of the following pairs correctly matches the algae with its form? Wallworks, filament. Wallworks is not a filamentous, it is a colony form. And Eulothrix, it's a colonial. No, Eulothrix is a filamentous one. Spirogyra, filamentous. Yes, correct. Pyrogyra, it is filamentous. Kelps, unicellular. Not. Kelps is a vast marine algae which is looks like a higher plant. Okay, the correct answer is C. Next is which of the following roles do algae play in carbon dioxide fixation on Earth? A negligible part, less than a quarter, at least half, or almost all. The answer is at least half of the carbon dioxide is fixed by the algae. Okay. Then how do algae contribute to their immediate aquatic environment? By producing oxygen. Where is the answer? By increasing the level of dissolved oxygen, or by decreasing the level of dissolved oxygen, or by decreasing the level of dissolved carbon dioxide. The answer is by increasing the oxygen. Okay. Then which of the following statement is true regarding the importance of algae in food cycle? Algae are primary consumer? No, they are primary producer. Algae are secondary consumer? No. Algae are decomposer? Oh, not at all. Algae are primary producer in food ecosystem or food cycle? The answer is D, that is algae are primary producer. The next question, which of the following algae is commonly used as a food supplement by space traveler? Space traveler, they use this as a food supplements. Answer is chlorella. Chlorella is a single cell protein produced from this chlorella, which is used as a protein supplement in the space traveler because it's a high energy and for the traveling to the space. We can pack and we can take out to the space travel. Okay. The next question is, algene, a hydrocolloid used commercially, is obtained from which algae? Algene is used by the brown algae. Then agar used in microbial culture in the culture media and food preparation is obtained from which algae? Porphyra and laminaria, sargassum and chlorella, or Gelidium and Gracilaria, or laminaria and sargassum. The answer is Gelidium and Gracilaria, which is the red algae. From this algae we derive or we isolate the agar. Then which class of algae does not belong to the three main classes mentioned? Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Cyanophyceae. Chlorophyceae is the green algae, Phaeophyceae is brown algae, and Rhodophyceae is the red algae. Cyanophyceae is the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is not an algae, it's a prokaryotic organism. So answer is Cyanophyceae. Okay. Next question is, which pigments dominate in Chlorophyceae, giving them their characteristic green color? That is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Okay, B is the correct answer. Next, the storage bodies found in the chloroplast of most green algae are called as perinoids. Perinoids are the storage bodies. The next question is, which of the following structure is not a form of chloroplast found in green algae? Discoid. Yeah, discoid structure is observed. Plate-like is also observed. Then reticulate is also observed, and spherical form is not observed. Okay. So, how is vegetative reproduction typically carried out in green algae? Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation only. Which type of reproduction involves the production of flagellated zoospores in green algae? That is asexual reproduction. They produce zoospores which are motile in flagellated and they are motile. Then which of the following green algae exhibit isogamous sexual reproduction? Isogamous sexual reproduction is observed in Eulothrix. Eulothrix, here we are observe the isogamous sexual reproduction. Then the cell wall of green algae is composed of inner layer is almost cellulose, then outer layer is pectose. The answer is B. Which of the following green algae are commonly found? Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eulothrix and Spirogyra. The next question is, brown algae are primarily found in which type of habitat? Mostly they are marine habitat. Then which pigment is responsible for the brown coloration in brown algae? That is fucoxanthin. Then what is the form of stored food in brown algae? In brown algae they are laminarin or the mannitol. Then next question is, the vegetative cells of brown algae have a cell wall covered by gelatinous coating that is known as algene. Okay. Which part of the brown algae plant body is responsible for attachment to the substratum? In brown algae they attach to the substratum by the holdfast. Then asexual reproduction in most brown algae occur through biflagellated zoospores. Zoospores are biflagellated. Which form of sexual reproduction can be found in brown algae? That is isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous form also observed in the brown algae. Then which of the following is not a common form of brown algae? Answer is Chlamydomonas, because Chlamydomonas is a green algae. Why are the members of the Rhodophyceae commonly called as red algae? Because they are red in color, right? Due to the predominant presence of the pigment that is phycoerythrin, sorry, red pigment, that is phycoerythrin. Then where are the majority of red algae typically found? They are found in marine environment, especially in warmer area. Then how do red algae store their food? They store their food in the Floridian starch form. Then which of the following is true about the reproduction in red algae? Red algae, they produce non-motile spores. You should remember that point. So vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation, because other options see like asexual produced by biflagellated spores. Red algae not produces the flagellated spores. Then sexual reproduction involves motile gametes. No, both are non-motile. Then sexual reproduction is isogamous. No, not isogamous. They are anisogamous or oogamous. Okay. Then which type of sexual reproduction is found in red algae? They are oogamous. Okay. What is the nature of the gametes in red algae? The gametes are non-motile. You should remember this point. In which region do red algae occur in the ocean? There should be a warmer condition, right? Both the well lighted region, light should be in there, and at great depth we observe the red algae. Which of the following are common members of red algae? The red algae examples are Folly, Symphonia, Porphyra, Gracilia, Gelidium. We should remember Gracilaria and Gelidium is the red algae. They produce agar. Commercial product name is agar. Okay.